Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the platform to build a website for your health food restaurants. If you just stumbled across this video and you're unfamiliar with Marty Sites is the easiest way to launch a website. You can literally launch your own website in less than a minute. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So let's get cracking building a website for our health food restaurants. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. There are hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, people with side hustles. However, if you can't quite find your market listed over here, let us know and we will make sure that we add it. Great, so I'm now going to head to the top and search for my market. I'm going to search for health food restaurant. There it is. I'm now going to select that template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our health food restaurants. I'm going to call it Rochelle's Healthy Meals. I'm now going to put in my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Site service. We have users from all around the globe. I'm going to leave the type of business as a restaurant and click on continue. Great. How can customers get in touch with us? Let's go ahead and put in our phone number over here and our email address. Awesome. Where is our place located? Where is our place of business? I'm going to go ahead and put in my street name and my postal code. Let's click continue and move along. Great, let's get our hours set up. What hours are we open on a Monday? So I'm going to say my health food restaurants is open for breakfast. I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. until 7 p.m. We're also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. I'm going to say we closed on a Sunday. Let's say we're closed on Sundays. Great. Let's review our hours. Everything looks good. I'm happy with it. And I'm now going to go next. Awesome. Now look at that. Marty Site has literally generated a one-page website for me. All it needed was a few basic details about my health food restaurants, and it literally did all the hard work. Let's take a look. Look at that. Awesome. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We pre-selected all the images. However, they can be amendable to suit your business needs. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to walk you through each section so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works, how easy it is to use. You don't need to know any coding. Gone are the days when you need to launch a website that you need to know any coding or hire a web developer with a huge budget. That's not necessary. I'm now going to start at the top and click on update section over here. I'm now going to say show email on site. So my email address is visible on my Marty Sites page in the top right hand corner next to my phone number. That is clickable, click to call. Let's go ahead and save our address. We already put the details in and it is displayed here in the top left hand corner. When customers click on that, it will directly take them to Google Maps to get directions to our health food restaurants. Let's head to update social links and pop in our Instagram page and our Twitter page. There is an option as well for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well. And the icons are displayed in the top right hand corner so customers can easily click on it and be taken directly to our social media platforms so they can see what our restaurants is up to, give us a follow, and engage with us. Let's click on save and close and move along. Now, perhaps the colors used that have been pre-selected for you, they are very neutral, but perhaps the branding throughout your restaurant is a completely different color. That's okay. You can change it and you don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the paint bucket on the bottom right-hand corner and go through the various different options available. Let's see what we've got. Okay, I like that one, so I'm going to save it. Green, associate with vegetables, salads, healthiness. I'm going to choose that one. Really happy with it. You can see it's now used throughout my Marty Sites page. Awesome. I'm now going to head to the top and click on update section here and head over to update logo. If you don't have a logo yet because you're in the startup process of your health restaurants, Mighty Sites will literally just display your name here. Still looks really professional. However, if you have one, browse from your computer and upload it. Great. If you don't have a logo or you don't have a huge budget to hire a graphic designer, I do recommend you check out canva.com. There are a few great options on there that are free to use. Let's go ahead and click on save. And there we go. That looks really awesome. You can make it bigger and smaller to suit your needs, but I'm going to make it slightly bigger and leave it like that. Click on save logo. Now, as I mentioned before, images are pre-selected for you. They're high quality, they're free to use, license free. Content is pre-written for you, but if you need to amend it, head on over to update section and update image. Browse from your device and upload one of your own, otherwise search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from, all high quality. Play around with the terms a little bit and just see what works for you. I really like this one, so I'm going to select that one. Select the photo. Save my image selection. Okay, so that one doesn't quite work. I need to reselect it. It doesn't fit well. Let's search through the photo library and choose another one. So I think this one would be a great one. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one. Select the photo and save the image selection. That looks amazing. Very, very happy with it. Content, go ahead and update content. Choose the title, subtitle to suit your needs. Perhaps you don't offer an online ordering system like the button over here suggests. Perhaps you just want to say view our menu. So let's go ahead and change that and head over to choose link. We can link to another website like an online ordering website as it previously was, link to another part of the Mighty Sites website, or an action like click to call, click to email, or directions. But for this one, I want to upload my menu as a PDF file. I'm going to go ahead and browse from my device and upload my Mighty menu for my health restaurant. Awesome. So when my customers now click on that button, it will directly take them to my Mighty menu that I've just uploaded. So they can pre-choose all the menu items that they want to have before they come to the restaurant. I know I'm not the only person that does that. So let's go ahead and click on close. Over here, if you need to amend your hours and your address, go ahead and update section. Over here, we have another great spot for a high quality image. Upload your own or choose one from the photo library. I think this is really suitable. It's very high quality, so I'm going to leave it as is. Over here, again, another section, pre-written copy. Button can link to various places. Click on update section and amend it to suit your needs. We've now made our way onto the About Us section. Over here, I put a little bit more details of how your health restaurant came to be, how you got started in the industry, what different dietary requirements you cater to, like gluten-free and vegan. Put all the details here. Your customers would love to know your story. Image, again, can be changed to suit your needs by clicking on the update section over here. Great. So look at that. I've literally launched a one-page website for my health food restaurant, gone through each section in less than 10 minutes. It's absolutely amazing. I haven't need to be super tech savvy. I haven't need to hire a web developer. I didn't need to know any web development skills. Gone are the days of that. The beauty of Mighty Sites is we've made it as easy as possible for you to launch a one-page website for your health food restaurant. A frequent question we get asked at Mighty Sites is, can I link my custom domain? Absolutely. With a professional website comes a custom domain all the time. So all you need to do is head to the top, click on stop editing, and head over to the site dashboard. Over here, you can link your custom domain, click on connect a domain. If you're struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available with a step-by-step guide on how to do that. There's also a blog post over at www.mightysites.com, as well as some great marketing tips for your small business and your restaurant. Check it out. I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a one-page website for your healthy restaurants. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any tips, suggestions, or features you'd like to see in future, do comment below and let us know. Don't forget the thumbs up for this video.